J-Man here, sharing with you my breakfast. What we have here is a granola bar topped with, or on top of an omelet with some ketchup. I started microwaving these eggs. Okay, listen. The granola bar is just because I had to like pitch it in the bowl. I can't just throw it on my counter. I'm not gonna eat it like that. Trust me. Well, I might think about it, but like I do some weird combinations sometimes. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go that weird. But microwaving eggs is my latest thing where it's amazing. It's like the way that I used to do it before. I'd sit in there and I'd really struggle to cook my omelet. It was a gigantic it was a big deal. Like it took a lot out of me mentally. This way I put it in there for about a minute and I put in two egg yolks. Two just not just the yolk. A whole egg for about a minute and a half. It'll start popping a little bit. I put soy sauce and ketchup on there. Oh, excuse me, man. My throat's all jammed up. I just pushed it hard in there. Shit. Yeah, that was a rugged visit. I just weighed myself, and it was kind of like I kind of had to push myself to get in there twice. My scale's still sitting in there. Soy sauce, blue cheese, and ketchup on an omelet is amazing. My weight is 179.4. I think I gained a little bit of weight during this awakening because I mean I've been eating a lot of like drinking a lot of Red Bulls. There was a period I was drinking a lot of Milwaukee's Best, 16 ounces, not the 12 ounces. A lot of Red Bull, a lot of stuff, a lot of hamburgers, good stuff, but just like ice cream, Butterfingers on ice cream. Anyway, yeah, that's the combination for today. I'm out.